Yeah, 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 hey, yeah, okay, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. Yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. All my niggas, we got them like hundreds. You respect that I'm money. You need steady, take up the bag. Just stop without that. My niggas, we keep it red beat. Ain't spreading no niggas. Killing these niggas for nothing. Yeah, kissing my drip, better ride on my way. Kissing my drip, ain't got it today. Hold up, young nigga drip, dog. Young nigga drip, dog.
Hello, world. What's going on? It's your boy 5 to the 10, aka Fever. I'm out in Arlington, man. I'm at this Supercar Expo. But one thing I haven't done, I don't think I ever got Hemi Life's car in person on film. Go ahead and film this for y'all. Y'all subscribe to the channel. Yeah, he done came out. Got that Daytona thing, man. Got the Hemi Life. But nah, while I'm out here, man, might as well go ahead and put it on the channel. So, got that boy Safe Alonzo. I see his car out here. There's a couple of other guys I see out here. So, y'all just stay tuned.
I'll go get Brendan. I don't see him.
Not gonna hang out here that long. I got things to do. So, know y'all can't hear what I'm saying, but I'm still here, man. Ran into a few of the homies, so y'all just stay tuned. was born in Dallas, the Port Pleasant Grove, Lake June, Jim Miller, St. Regis, I know. It wasn't the projects, but it was hard yet. Growing up with 8 brothers and sisters, next to the youngest, I still didn't listen. Not my fault, too many accidents as a child. All I can say is that I'm blessed to be alive. Put my hands in my pockets and walk down the street. Didn't have a bike, so I was on my feet. And I don't blame nobody for the bullshit. We out here for certain things, so I'ma do this. Just trying to progress. My parents moved to Lancaster, I wasn't ready to go yet. So in the summer, I stay with my sister on St. Augustine. A kid in the street, never on punishment. Big mistake at 2 o'clock in the morning. Instead of sleeping, I was on my way out the door and hollering at my